Hey guys, welcome back. It's been a minute, but been a lot going on. It's gonna be just a little short episode. Uh, I'm doing mainly brakes and suspension stuff today. I have new brakes or brake pads. I was gonna replace the rotors, but they're actually like it looks like somebody just did them, so they're not even worn in yet. But I do have new brake pads, but they ended up being the wrong size. I think I don't even know what they're for, but they never fit. But the ones that came off are actually not that bad, so they probably didn't need to be replaced anyway. I know the ones in the back do. I'm not going to do those today, but um, I've already got everything done. I just have a quick time lapse to show and mainly updates of what's going on. I got my rockers bent up too. I'll show you guys that. But yeah, I'll show you what's going on here. So these calipers, they were red. I changed them to black because nobody likes race car red unless it's on an actual race car. And I got my traction bars in, and I got new links in the front in. And yeah, like I was saying, like these rotors aren't even touched. They're pretty much brand new, but yeah, that's done on both sides. Car was outside for a bit, so that's why it's all water spotty, but yeah, both sides are done. I got rear links to put in as well. And these are my rockers right here. So I have these all bent up to this is the piece that I gave them to bend it up to. And yeah, they did a pretty good job. So I got both sides here. I went like way longer than what I needed to, but the material was so cheap. It was only to get these bent up, cut. It was only $80, so well worth it in my opinion. But yeah, those will definitely be the next thing I'm doing. So it may seem kind of pointless with the stuff that I'm doing with what I'm about to tell you next, but maybe not. I don't know. I may have to end up moving, and I'm like a really far ways away. But I'm contemplating. I can only tow one thing behind me, so I'm contemplating selling the car and towing a trailer with my stuff in it, or try and fit all my stuff in the car. I'm not taking any furniture or anything from my house. I'm just taking my tools and my clothes and stuff. So, but that can all fit in a small trailer. I'm not too sure about all of it fitting in a car. I also have my truck too that I can fit stuff in, and I'm mainly doing this work now in case I do sell it. It's in way better shape than what it is, and I recoup some of my money at least. Make it a bit more appealing to sell. They really don't want to, which is why I'm trying to put on parts now. So if I end up taking the car, it's less parts I have to try to fit in the car. Because I have a motor, another spare motor to take with me, or engine, whatever you want to call it. And yeah, that's a hefty chunk itself. And I'm gonna try to put all the body panels on and stuff, obviously, so that won't take up any room. Like, I don't have a lot of spare parts, but I have a lot of tools, so definitely some things I'm gonna have to sacrifice, and hopefully it isn't the car, but yeah, that's kind of where I'm at. I'm still doing videos on it. I've got till the end of this month to decide what I'm doing. It's work related, so yeah, unfortunately that's sometimes how life goes, and it is what it is. But it sucks because I put a lot of time and effort into this car, which is why I'm trying to, you know, get what I can done to it, to either make it more appealing to sell or to drag it with me so I can fit more stuff in here. If I try to take stuff with me, I feel like it'll be really tight, but yeah, and the place I'm going, parts are non-existent, so but that's kind of I got a small time lapse I'll show you of me just cleaning stuff up with the brake caliper and a little bit of work I did. I didn't film it all because I forgot to charge up my gimbal, which is what I'm using to stabilize you guys, but so I couldn't get all of it, and I don't have a second hand, so it's always just me working on this stuff. So yeah, that's mainly the update. I'm just trying to do suspension stuff and brakes and stuff because I took it off the blocks. I just want to get it done, so when I put it on the blocks again to do to do my rockers, then I don't have to worry about all the suspension stuff. It's all done, ready to go. So yeah, there's not really lots left. I keep saying that like almost every episode. There is lots left, holy, but there isn't. Like, I had just the rear brakes, rear links, sway bar links, finished mounting the seat, which is pretty much done. I just have to fix one of the nuts in there or whatever. And bodywork is the biggest. It just takes so long. Once I get past these rockers though, I think that's pretty much it. Besides a few holes in the trunk, but those are easy, you're not on the ground and stuff. It just sucks to weld these rockers in because of so many tack welds, and it's just very time consuming. It's not hard, but just time consuming. But yeah, I'm just blabbering on now, so that's my update, and yeah, hopefully things go the way I want them to, but they don't always, so you just have to take it as it is, and it is what it is. But I'll keep you guys updated on what's happening. I'm still, like I said, doing work to the car, so if there's stuff you guys need help on, let me know. I'm still making a rocker panel video, so I've just been kind of procrastinating with it because, like I said, it's time consuming, and it hurts to come work on the car with the thought in your mind that you might have to sell it. So it's definitely a demotivator, there we go, demotivator. But yeah, I'm not sure, we'll figure it out, I guess. But hope you enjoy the video. Have a good day.